Hello and welcome to one of the first Wealth Conglomerate Arena videos. So today I want to talk about one of the strategies that I've been working with for a while called the Wealth Synergy System. Now, let me just take you to my Bitcoin portal, crypto portal, which is right near the lounge. Let me show you the lounge quickly. So this is the lounge area. So you can see this is the lounge area, so I can sit down if I wanted to. If I wanted to sit down, I can sit down. Sit down here. Anyways, yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the strategy called the Wealth Synergy System. So you can see here's my Wealth Synergy System poster here, so you can see you can get started. So what I'm going to show you is exactly how we at the Wealth Conglomerate are building wealth relentlessly behind the scenes. If you're somebody that truly wants to get started with a strategy, this is the perfect strategy that you can get started with today. It really is, because a lot of people now are seeing what's happening in the world of cryptocurrency and wondering whether they can get involved, whether there's a way that they can get involved business wise, whether there's a way they can start to earn it. Yes, there are ways. And I believe that we have the best strategy to build. Okay, so if you are able to get into the arena and you have access, then you can come through in here and just next to the lounge area, just click on this portal right here, travel to earn Bitcoin. Okay, I'll leave the link also to the arena, and I'll also leave the link also to the synergy system as well, so that you can just get started. Okay. Just in case you don't want to come through here and check on through the arena. But I know most people would probably like to come in and check out the arena, and you're more than welcome. Anyways, so I click here on this portal. It's going to take me here. So this is the Wealth Synergy System Ultimate Guide. Okay? So I'm not going to go through all of this like this, because you can read this and you'll understand. But what I am going to do is I'm going to click on the 4-step online resource. So as you can see here, there's a button here, access 4-step online resource. Click on that button here, and there's 4 steps. You want to start building a digital business and start earning Bitcoin. If you're serious, if you're somebody serious, then you're going to want to have a franchise or have a digital business that allows you to be able to skyrocket your earnings, build wealth, and do it whether you are online all day or not online all day. Just reality, okay? What we don't want you to do is just think that all you're going to do is just buy a coin and that's it, and then hope to get rich. Not how it works, you know? So what we believe in is strategies, and this is the one strategy that we're running with for the rest of the year. So what is this strategy? I'm going to explain it to you in 4 steps. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to explain it to you in 4 steps. Step 1. Watch this video. Click on this link called Join TASv7 right here, and enter your name and your email address. Once you do this, so you come here, you got 1, business opportunity, 2, team build and passive, 3, passive income, 4, automation. Okay. Click on here and you enter your name and email address, and then inside you watch the videos and check out what's inside. You're going to see a full automated digital franchise business that you can have, and you can pick the level that you want to be at. We recommend bronze level, because it's about $1,000, and you'll be able to start earning $500, and you'll be able to earn commissions down 3 levels. Okay. So this is super powerful because you get to earn it in cryptocurrency, and you get to earn it in peace. Okay. With a digital franchise that you can earn in peace, it is very rare out there. Very rare. So if you want to start earning serious cash, I suggest you click on step 1. Yep. And then you choose the level that you want to get at. We recommend, if you're going to get started, you start at bronze. Okay. Because then it gives you a significant amount that you can start earning from the beginning. Yes, it's a digital franchise, meaning that it is a business. When you have a business, most businesses, like if it's an actual business like a Starbucks or a coffee shop, coffee shop, I don't know, a shop that sells mobile phones, a retail place, whatever it is, you're going to have upkeep and get customers to come to that to buy the products inside. The fact of the matter is, a lot of people don't have the money to start those businesses. The overheads are too much. So why don't you just get a digital business? And that's what this is. You get yourself a digital business which you can share with others, okay, and start earning serious business money. Okay? The reason why I say business money, you take that money to build more. Okay? It's not just money that you're just going to go and do whatever you want. No. You can do, but I'm saying you make money to build it and make more money so that you can live the life you want to live. That is what it is. So this is a great vehicle and we recommend it. So TASv7, which is a business which allows you to share many digital products that are truly going to change the way that you see sales, business coaching, high ticket sales, cryptocurrency, forex, just so much here. Hundreds of training videos and different training that you can learn, and you can also earn by sharing it with others. Okay, and you earn in Bitcoin and Tron. Okay, now the reason why this is so powerful is because what you're gonna do from step one, you join this business and then you start to promote it. If you are not good at promoting, it doesn't matter. You come to step 4, automation, and you click the done for you service, and you can purchase the done for you service, which will allow you to get people into your business without you having to do the work. Okay, obviously you pay for the traffic without you having to do the work, and once you make sales, then you're going to follow the strategy. So it's either you promote yourself or you get the automated service inside. You'll see all of that when you go inside. So make sure you click on business opportunity to get started. Okay, you can check if you're interested in any of these other ones, you can do as well, but I say click on number 1 so you can get started and select the level you want to get at, which we recommend the bronze. Now, if you haven't got Bitcoin, I've got a button here where you can buy Bitcoin, and then because when you buy your packages, you're going to purchase in Bitcoin. Okay, you'll earn in Bitcoin and Tron, but you purchase your membership in Bitcoin. So there's a portal here, a button here where you can start buying Bitcoin if you want. Scroll here, buy Bitcoin without KYC. Here you can also scroll down if you want, and you can use any of these exchanges if you want to buy Bitcoin. The reason why we have these ones here is because these ones are peer-to-peer, and you can do what you need to do, buy your Bitcoin in private. Yes, it might be a little bit more, but it depends on what your goals are. You may have your own way of buying your own Bitcoin, and that's fine. So scroll down. First thing, you join the business and you start to promote it and you start to earn. Once you start earning commissions, say you earn your first $500 commission, congratulations. What you're going to do is you're going to set up an account with MEXC. Okay, now this is an exchange. If I click on it here quickly, MEXC is an exchange. So you just set up here, sign up. You can sign up with your Gmail, with Apple here, with MetaMask, with Telegram. But sign up with your email here, or you can sign up with your Google account here. And once you've done that, I'll say, watch this video, which you will learn how to deposit your crypto into MEXC and how to use this exchange. Okay, if you've used an exchange in the past, then it will be simple. The reason why it's MEXC is because what the next part of the strategy is to take half of your earnings. So you take that $250 and you're going to purchase a coin called STX. Okay, you're going to purchase this coin, Stacks. Now, Stacks is a project which allows for Bitcoin, for the Bitcoin network to utilize Web3, which is like staking their coins, building apps on the blockchain for Bitcoin, things like that. So Stacks is a perfect synergy with this strategy. It perfectly synergizes with the wealth synergy system. It is because basically stacks, once you stake it, you're able to earn in Bitcoin. Okay, so you take 250, half of what you earn on the bronze, and also if you earn any money on the bonuses, then you take half, and you're going to now set up MEXC and send half to MEXC because you're going to buy stacks. You're going to buy whatever that amount of $250 worth of stacks is. Okay? If you don't know what the price of stacks is, you can go to CoinMarketCap and type in STX and you'll be able to see the price. You join MEXC exchange, okay? And then you send $250 to the MEXC exchange to buy stacks. Now, if you don't have a Nano Ledger wallet, which is a hardware wallet, I recommend you have it. You can click on this link to buy a hardware wallet here, you see? So you can click on here to buy a hardware wallet directly, okay? The reason why we recommend getting a hardware wallet is because you will save your, you will send your cryptocurrency, your stacks that you bought on MEXC to your hardware wallet. And once you send it to your hardware wallet, you're going to stake your coins directly from the hardware wallet, which is safer than doing anything else. It's safer, okay? And then we believe that if you stake your coins from your hardware wallet, you're going to have peace of mind where you're still earning your Bitcoin from staking your stacks. Now you watch this video and you can set up your hardware wallet once you get it, and you're going to then send your $250 worth of stacks to your hardware wallet because you'll set up your stacks account, stacks app on your wallet anyway. Okay. Now, once you've got the hardware wallet and set up your ledger, this now tells you how to stack your stacks, stack your STX. This will also show you what to do. Okay. It will show you exactly how you download the app, what you're gonna do, how you're gonna stake it using the ledger. It gives you all of the process here in this video, okay? And this is how you're going to start to earn Bitcoin from that $250. The reason why we say take half and then buy stacks and then stake your stacks is because you're getting your Bitcoin to work for you. You're not just having so you're having some of the Bitcoin, you're holding it, 250, but you're putting 250 into work for you. So it's going to stake, you're going to stake it, and you're going to be earning rewards every cycle for stacks. And this is what's going to show you here. So you can see here, you've got the website, the Xverse wallet you're going to use, the pool, and these are all the coin market caps, so you can see what the prices of the coins are. Okay. If I click on Xverse pool here, you can see that the average annual yield for stacks is 9%. No bank is going to give you 9% on anything. They're just not going to do that. You know, you're just not going to get that. So you can see here there are cycles. So when you do go to stake your stacks, you can see here there's 3 days left of this cycle. So in 3 days, you're going to be able to stake your stacks here. So you'll be able to join this one here, the next cycle. The same with this one here. This one is going to end in 17 days. Okay, so the best, see how you can see here, rewards this cycle 2.35557 Bitcoin and this total stake stacked. So you're going to join these cycles. This one you can join in 3 days. This one you can join in 17 days. And that's how you're going to start to build wealth with your earnings. Okay, so follow 4 of these steps. Step 1, you join TAS and you buy the bronze level membership, and then you start promoting this as a digital business. If you are very familiar with sales and very familiar with digital marketing, you'll be able to, if you have people that are interested in building a digital business where they earn in Bitcoin, then they can join it, and then you can start to earn. Once you start earning, take half of your earnings. You're gonna come into MEXC, you're going to buy stacks, and you're going to send it to your hardware wallet, which you have one already or you don't, but you buy one of these Ledger hardware wallets and you're going to set it up, and you're going to install the stacks app on it, which you'll be able to see in this video in step 4. Okay, once you've got the hardware wallet, follow this video here to understand how to stack your STX to earn, and you just rinse and repeat. Once you've done this, you still go back and promote this TAS. Once you earn any money, you're going to follow the same process to stake half of it. Okay, and that's how we build wealth with the wealth synergy system. Anyways, I thought that would be an interesting video to make for you to understand. I'm going to be making a lot more of these to explain the wealth synergy system. Very important. And yeah, I hope that you understand what this is all about. And yeah, hope you can join me in the next video live in the arena. Well, not quite live, but you know what I mean. Anyways, take care and thank you for joining me. Maybe I should leave on the jetpack. Give me a second. Let's get on the jetpack and leave with the jetpack. All right, let's get the jetpack on. Boom. Okay. I'm about to leave. Thank you for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next one.